Hey guys, what's up? It's me, whbproductions, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making some alerts on Photoshop. These are very simple and a really cool design. If you just want to make your stream look professional and very customized to your color theme or something like that, then it's very important to have these alerts for your channel. So if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and let's get straight to the video. So in order to make these alerts, first of all, you need to open Photoshop and then just go here in File, select New, and you can just type it as alerts for Twitch, and you can keep the size as 750 by 250, although the size can vary, but this is the standard size for these alerts. So I'm just going to hit OK. Then after we have this box, then you need to go over here and select this new layer icon. Once you've done that, you can just come over here and select this rectangle over here and just drag your rectangle to complete this area, and this is the default fill, and I'm just going to go ahead and just press Ctrl T on my rectangle and just increase the size to fill the ends. Hit enter. Then for the color, I'm just going to select darker color like this. Now I'm just going to add a little shine or a light effect on the rectangle. So in order to do that, I'm just going to select a new layer. Then I'm going to hit the B brush on my keyboard, and from over here I'm going to select a lighter color, red, and I'm going to hit OK, and just increase the size by pressing these brackets on your keyboard, the square brackets, and then once you have a size like this, then you can just go ahead and drop this a little, and you will get this shine effect. If you want more, then you can add, but on one side it looks fine. So if you are wondering what color codes I'm using, then you can see that this is the color code for the lighter red, and for this one we have this color code, so you can copy it if you want to copy the exact same design. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and make a design on this left side. So I'm just going to select a new layer, select my lighter color, and then just press the P button on my keyboard or select the pen tool from over here. I'm going to start from over here. By holding down shift, I'm going to draw a design like this and complete the entire path. Right click, select fill path, foreground color, hit OK. Now press delete once to delete this path. Now you have this design, and you need to press Ctrl J on your keyboard to duplicate this. Then press Ctrl T to open the free transform, and then just go ahead and rotate this clockwise, and then just flip horizontally like this. Then just bring it over here. Once you're happy with this, then you can just go ahead and change the design a bit by pressing Ctrl T on this design and then flipping it vertically. So you can get a different design from this, but I think either this one looks fine, or I'm just going to flip this one vertical, and I'm just going to select this design and flip this by right clicking, flip this horizontally once, and I think this one looks good. So once you're happy with this, you just need to go ahead and select both of these layers, which is the design layer, and you need to select right click and select merge layers. So this will be one single design. So the next thing you want to do is just double click on this blank space over here for this design, and you will open this window, layer style window, and you just need to tick this bevel and emboss, and press this check this bevel and emboss and this contour as well. So once you will click this over here, then you will see that this is the inner bevel and smooth, and the depth is 105 and the size is 5. So the rest of the properties need to stay the same. Select OK. Make sure that you have a design like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to import my logo or anything and place it within the center. So the next thing that I will do is I'm just going to just import my dragon from over here, and I'm just going to press Ctrl C. You can just add your logo or anything in this area, and press Ctrl T. Now just shrink it in size by holding down Shift. I think I'm just going to place this over here. Now for this blending mode, you just need to select color dodge from over here, and then change the opacity to around 80%. Then you will have this nice effect over here. So the last thing that is left is just adding your this text over here. So you can either add it over here or over here, anywhere you want. And I'm just going to select this new layer, press this text over here. Then I'm going to click over here, select new follower. So the font that I'm using is Jersey Sharp, and you can change the color of the font from over here, but I suggest that you select white. If you're going for a darker color in the background, select OK. Then I'm going to press Ctrl T on my font, and I'm just going to place it nicely over here. So there you have it. This is a nice little looking alert that you have. Now you just need to select file and save it as a PNG. So you can just select PNG and you can save your file like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up and comment your thoughts on if you've ever used alerts before, and also subscribe to my channel so for more amazing tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.